Welcome to part 8 of a complete series that shows how to pronounce in Haitian Creole. In this video, you are going to learn how to pronounce trailing letters or sounds. You are also going to learn how to pronounce contractions in Creole. Let us begin with trailing letters or sounds. The main thing you need to know about trailing letters or sounds is that you should pronounce them as if they flow along with the word that comes before them. Let us consider this example. Try to pronounce this sentence. If you did not pronounce this as bateau à gros, but you pronounce this as bateau à gros, then you were correct. Notice how the sound a is pronounced as if it flows along with the word that comes before it. Here is another example. If you did not pronounce this as prend chien un, but you pronounce this as prend chien un, then you were correct. Notice how the sound is pronounced as if it flows along with the word that comes before it. And here is one more example. If you did not pronounce this as moi reme ou, but you pronounce this as moi reme ou, then you were correct. Notice how the sound oo is pronounced as if it flows with the word that comes before it. Alright, now let us start with pronouncing contractions in Creole. Now, contractions are shorter versions of word combinations. For example, in English, the words do not can be contracted as don't. Contractions work in a similar way in Haitian Creole. Although Creole doesn't use apostrophes or hyphens, you should pronounce contractions as one word. Let us consider this example. Li ale lakay, which literally means he goes home. The contraction of li ale is lali. Notice how the contraction is pronounced as one word, lali. Here is one more example. Li te ale lakay, which literally means he did go home. The contraction of te ale is tali. Notice how the contraction is pronounced as one word, tali. So the key point is this: you pronounce contractions as one word, just as you would in English. So as you can see, overall, it is not difficult to pronounce trailing letters, trailing sounds, or contractions in Haitian Creole. You can find more information on definite articles and contractions from the links in the video description. And that's it. This concludes the pronunciation series of Haitian Creole. Fortunately, more videos on other aspects of Haitian Creole are coming soon. So for more videos like this, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.